I'm transported right back to my grandmother's kitchen table when I'm making her macaroni and tomatoes recipe. Make sure to click that like button and let's get started. Bring a large pot of water to a boil, add in your salt, and cook your elbow macaroni as directed on the box. Then prepare your veggies by chopping up some celery and some onion. When your pasta is ready, drain it and place it on the side. In the same large pot, add in half of the butter and start cooking your vegetables. Add in your spices, stir them in, and then add in the rest of the butter just to melt it down. Add in your canned tomatoes, stir them in, and let it simmer until half of the juices have cooked out. At this point, you can turn off the heat, add in your pasta, stir them in, making sure that all the pasta is covered in the sauce. Transfer to a serving bowl, and then season with some freshly cracked pepper and some freshly chopped dill. Find the full recipe at FrenchKissCook.com. Click on the icon to subscribe to our channel and on the video for more recipes.